Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to hide your Android phone gallery photos without any app. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to hide any photos from your gallery. So first of all, go to your gallery and search for the photo, which photo you want to hide. Now open the photo and tap on this info button, and here you will see the photo current location. So this photo location is internal storage, DCIM folder and camera folder. Now all you have to need, go to your file manager and go to the folder where the photo is stored. My photo is in internal storage, DCIM folder and camera folder. And now I'm going to searching for the photo. So here is the photo I want to hide. Okay, now all you have to need, you have to rename the photo. So hard press on the photo and tap on this three dot and tap on rename. And now all you have to need, you have to remove these current format from the photo. So after dot, all you have to need, write a random format. I'm typing ABC and just tap on rename and tap on change. Once you successfully change the photo format, as you can see, the photo will be hide. If I tap on this photo, as you can see, it's not opening. And if I go to my gallery, as you can see, the photo has been successfully hidden from my gallery. That's how you will be able to hide multiple photos. And to unhide any photo again, navigate to the photo folder again, find out the photo, hard press on the photo, tap on this more icon, tap on rename, and again you have to remove this format from here and type JPG and tap on rename, change, and the photo will be again visible in your gallery. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.